love our lavender border in the garden. As you can see, the bees love it. It brings in the pollinators. It's such a beautiful, fragrant border. Lavender helps naturally deter pests. It also brings in the pollinators. It has so many good uses, medicinal and culinary. Where we're at, it's a perennial, so it comes back every year. The middle of June is a great time to harvest your lavender. You want to leave enough green that you're not getting down into the woody part of the plant because it regrows from the green. So I'm harvesting it now in June so that we can have a second harvest later in the summer. I love lavender. It smells so good and it does amazing things in the garden. I will always have lavender growing in the garden. It's probably one of my favorite plants.